Hi there, this is Paul at Intermix. This video will share how you can use Intermix to find cold tables that have not been touched in a while, potentially so that you can delete them and recover disk space. If you browse to discover tables, you can see all the tables in the cluster and then apply searches to them. One of the searches that we can apply is called touch rate. Touch rate allows you to filter tables by SQL operation over a time period. I can use touch rate to identify tables that haven't been touched in a while. I can do that very easily by selecting tables must have not had any of the following four SQL operations done in them in a certain period of time. In this case, the past 7 days. If I hit search to restrict that search, I get back a list of tables that just haven't been touched. Now I can ask my team, or I can go out and figure out whether I can delete these tables because clearly they're not being used by anyone, and potentially recover a lot of disk space and maybe even reduce some nodes. Thanks very much. This was a video on how you can use Intermix to identify cold tables.